Good morning. Thanks for tuning in to Randy Hikes in Nature. Pretty little trail. I'm in Ruskin, Florida. This trail's not very isolated. There is a subdivision very close by, road noise. But I wanted to check it out. You can see over here the water and houses. What is that? Oh, I think it's an armadillo. So, I found this trail on the All Trails app. The last review was 4 months ago and it was rather unfavorable. They talked about the trail being overgrown, lots of bugs. So, they also mentioned there were wild hogs here. So, sounds like the best trail ever, right? Mosquitoes, wild hogs, bugs. Doesn't hurt to try. So we're surrounded by water. This marshy area on the left. Have it over here on the right too. Looks like a road over there where cars can go. Lots of birds. So actually you can see, you can cross. There's a trail that way, trails that way, and trail this way. And in one of the reviews, they made mention of the trail being covered by water. So after you go from the parking area, you walk to the end, you start looping left, and yes, it is underwater here. I just scared the birds away. Sorry, guys. But this was shown as a out and back. But yeah, to get around this, you gotta wade through it or get around it. All right, so I've tried to go around here. You can see this water actually goes on up through here. So I think the only way to get through there is to get wet, which I don't want to do. today. But there's another trail branching off over here. Just shimmy down this little hill. Oh, yeah, this is an old road. You can see the cars come through here. So, yeah. All right. So, we're almost back to the parking area. Some things I like about this trail. It's very easy. But you are kind of kept on your toes because you're surrounded by marsh. There's definitely a lot of signs of rooting, whether it be the wild hog or maybe alligator. So I like this trail. The reviews said it was overgrown and mosquito infested. I didn't think it was particularly overgrown at all, and no mosquito bites whatsoever. So where the road is underwater is around 2/3 of a mile back, and considering this is an out and back, just to go to there and come back, you're still about 1.25 miles, 1.4 miles. So that's an okay hike. And also where that road is washed out there, it hooks up with a road, a gravel road, dirt road that you can walk on if you'd like. And also there's another small trail which leads you, looks like, to one of the subdivisions. So overall, I really like this trail. I'm very glad that I stopped. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, comment. Most importantly, keep hiking.